Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how does the project management tools like Teamwork, Basecamp, Jira, Asana, GitLab and GitHub can be integrated with the Workstatus. For that, you have to click on the integration settings and then you are landed to the screen. You can select the respective project management tool from here, let's say Asana, and you can give the access token here and the Asana workspace GIT here. Once this is done, you can click on the next. List of all the projects which are in the Asana are visible here, and then you can click on this drop down to create a new project, or even you can link these imported projects from Asana to the existing projects which are in the Workstatus. Just choose one from here. Once this is done, click on import. Once import is completed, the status says completed and it gives you the last sync date, time, and then you can even click on refresh to have the updated status. What happened when you have made it in progress, it is completed or no. Once this is done, the project name, description, the title of the task and the description, the comments inside that are loaded from the Asana or the specific third-party integration PM tools that are listed that we see on the previous screen here, that you'll be able to see in the project section. So this is how the integration works with the project management tool in the Workstatus. Thank you.